Okay, we're live. Hi, Vibrant Lifers, and thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm Tony Parker, and thank you so much for being part of our Vibrant Lifer community. So, we all have lots of these, right? Well, it's time to get them cleaned. So I've got my husband's mask. Look at this, isn't this cute? And mine's just this orange with flowers and dragonflies. Okay, so I'm going to share with you my approach using non-toxic cleaners to clean our masks. And I think it's really important to use a non-toxic cleaner when you're doing your masks because you are breathing in whatever chemicals you use to clean this. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've got some hot water that I boiled up in my electric kettle. So I'm going to put enough in there to submerge my masks. And the next thing I'm going to grab is one of my favorite cleaners. It's called Nature Bright. I not only use this to keep my whites white in a safe way, but I also use it to clean my toilets. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in the hot water. Oh, hold on one second. I'm back. Okay, so I have this dispensing container. What I'm going to do is just sprinkle some in here. And I want it to dissolve. So I'll tell you a little bit more about this. It says Nature Bright Laundry Booster and Stain Remover. Safe for you, your home, and your planet. So this is what it says on the back. Here are the clean credentials. It's natural biodegradable surfactants, no phosphates. So everything from grass, mashed potatoes, and gravy stains. Some really nice things can cause some really nasty stains. I'm just reading from the back. So really nice things can also get them out. Natural enzymes in active oxygen re-brighten laundry, de-stain upholstery, and way more. No smelly bleach. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a little bit of a stir. So this is going to help get the stains out of the mask, get the whites whiter. Inside of my mask is really bad. I'm probably overdue to get this cleaned. So, and then the next thing I'm going to add just a little bit is Shaklee's Basic H2 Super Concentrated Biodegradable Cleaner. And this stuff is fabulous. You use 2 drops in a 16-ounce bottle to clean your windows. A 1/4 teaspoon in a 16-ounce bottle of water to clean everything else. You can wash your dog in it. You can wash your counters, your refrigerator, all kinds of things. Anywhere you can put water, you can use this cleaner. And so I'm just going to put, I probably should measure this. Looks like I didn't grab any measuring spoon. So I'm just going to put a little bit in here. There we go. Won't take much. So, and then I am just going to put these masks in here. Just kind of get them submerged. And I'm just going to let them soak today. I'm not really going anywhere. Today's an office day. I'm going to be working in the office most of the day today. So that's it. I'm just going to let that soak. And then later today, I'm going to take it out, rinse it really well, and it's going to be all clean. So I just wanted to share this little tip with you. I will put links to the Nature Bright and the Basic H2 in the comments so that you can check it out. All right, have a great Monday, you guys, and happy November. See ya!